Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ina and today I'm gonna share my heart out, something that have worked for me personally and that has long-term results. That is something almost no vitamins or something like that actually has, but I have tried it. I drank it for 3 months and now I have stopped drinking that vitamin or that supplement for 2 months, and it has kept my acne, hormonal acne, at bay. So today I would love to share with you guys something I have stumbled upon a while back, and it has helped my acne that nothing else has ever helped. I have tried so many things. I had acne since I was in I don't know, 10th grade, and that's probably good 12-15 years. It's been a long time. So if something has worked for me, it could really work for you, just because it's not some kind of prescription. It's literally an extract from vegetables, because obviously I don't eat enough of those special vegetables, but let me share with you. So today I present to you acne savior is this DIM. So DIM has a compound found in cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. So this is the important ingredient that helps metabolize estrogen, that usually causes most hormonal acne all around the neck, kind of jawline, and cheeks. And let me show you guys the skin as of now, and I did not put any makeup on this area, just so this is an honest review, and plus you will see that I had acne and you could still see acne scars. So this is how it is now. And I really waited. This has been 2 months since I stopped drinking this vitamin. I call it vitamin because it feels like it's vegetables, so it's a compound of things. So I have waited 2 months to actually see if it works. And I have noticed that even before I have done it for a few weeks and then I will stop, your acne doesn't run back to your skin. It literally would take months for your acne to come back to your skin if you like completely don't eat healthy, you know, come back to your old diet. But I just wanted to prove that after I have taken this twice a day for 3 months and I haven't changed to my diet at all. Dairy, candy, chocolate. I mean, if I really overdose with chocolate, I will definitely see a pimple. But I'm gonna tell you guys that what's different after this is you get a pimple, not hormonal pimple that's like so huge. I will insert a picture of what really hormonal acne is. It's freaking huge. It's underneath the skin and takes forever to heal and whatever. But I'm here to say that this has helped. This truly helped. One thing I do want to tell you guys is the fact that when you first start taking this, some get headaches, slight headaches, and I have noticed if I stopped and I start taking it again, it gives me like a headache for a day, like not like a kind of a little bit nasty headache all day. But what you can do, start slow, cut it in half and take a small one, you know, half a pill on the day 1, 2, and then do 1 pill and then up to 2 pills a day. So that would really not pretty much not give you a headache. I did never get nauseous from it like I get from zinc. So this really amazing. I mean, I have looked for this for 15 years since I had acne. It's ridiculous, you guys. If you had hormonal acne, it feels like it never goes away, or it goes away for 2 days out of a month and then it comes back. So my honest review, I am not sponsored of any way. The only place I have found this, about 6 months I have purchased it. I have found this in, I will put the store right here because I honestly forgot what store. I only purchased this online. They don't have it in stores either. For some reason, it's not a popular vitamin. It has to be. This is the only thing that has helped and saved my skin. Also, one thing I wanted to point out, this is not a supplement that helps with texture of your skin. So I still have texture on my forehead. It doesn't really affect the forehead texture. So it's tiny little pimples that are super annoying. Here is fine. I don't have like that much texture at all. But it doesn't like, can't explain. It focuses on hormonal. It doesn't even say here that it has to do with hormonal, but it does the work, and it's amazing. I don't know why people don't promote this. This really saved my skin. This is 2 months me not taking it. Like, this is, you could take, I'm so glad I did not stop. I took it for so long. I mean, pretty sure, and plus I have used this for like year on and off, and you know, when my acne would get worse, I would take it for 2 weeks and that's it. I will not take it until I actually notice that my skin and my hormones really like go out of whack, because I haven't changed my diet. Sorry guys, this is not a diet video. And honestly, that's what people want to hear, is they don't want to go on a diet. They don't want to like limit their dairy. I mean, obviously I don't go overboard with dairy, but it helps balancing your hormones. And I think that's what really helps. The 3 months is usually a good chunk of time where you can completely balance your hormones. It really helps that long term. This is 120 tablets, and it was probably maximum $15, $25. I forgot. I know the small one maybe is 15, but this will last you. I mean, you take twice a day. This will last you like 2 months minimum. So I highly recommend. I highly hope you try it. And if you are struggling with hormonal acne on your cheeks, please save your cheeks. The scars that I am left with, I wish I found this earlier. I wish, because I have had to do laser, I had to do microneedling to save my skin and all the acne and holes I got left. This is much better. This is like after I got laser and microneedling like a year ago. I mean, I still have a tiny breakout. So if I do have a breakout, it's a pimple, not a hormonal crazy ass forehead, you know, like these huge acne pimples. So this is the verdict. This is them. And this is what can save your skin. Honestly, I hope it helps them. Just try it. I think you can even return it at that store, GNC. I've remembered, it's GNC vitamin store. They have them all over United States. You can go online and just purchase this online, but it's been an amazing journey. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy I did it for 3 months so I could really clear up my skin and I don't have a massive breakouts 2 months in, 3 months. I don't know how long this will last, but usually when you stop anything, it literally goes back to like your old skin, your acne prone skin. I'm so excited I lost my voice. So you guys, like this video, and so it will help the algorithm, so more people can find it. Share it with your friend, share it with person who's struggling. This is a no fail vitamin. I don't think this could really hurt. Honestly, you can't, the only time you can't use this is if you might be pregnant or nursing. Unfortunately, this is like the things they don't recommend for you to take. But other than that, it's a lifesaver. It contains no yeast, dairy, egg, gluten, or wheat. Contains no sugar, starch, salt, preservative, artificial color, or flavor, or fragrance. So it's called suitable for vegetarians. All this can really help and save your skin. Again, let's look at my lovely skin. I hope you get inspired. Just buy it. Just buy it. I mean, I have spent not $1 million, a lot of dollars in 10 years to save my skin. A lot, just way too much. And I'm sure you personally have that struggle if you have acne and you've been trying to save your skin. You have spent a lot of money on everything. Curology, Merology, you know, you name it. They're the topical. I just wanted to really say that it's all from the inside. All from the inside. Diet probably would definitely help. If you eat lots of broccoli, cabbage, it would really help. This is like the concentrate of those things, which really gives you an effect. I would have you drink this for 2-3 days, your acne is gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. It will really, you will see a difference, right, like pretty much really soon. And I just wanted to point out all these topical things that people do. It will help your texture, I'm pretty sure. But the inside that keeps coming, your hormones are the ones that like do the acne situation. So try doing it from the inside. Okay? Like this video, subscribe. It will help the algorithm to share it with all the people around the world who are currently struggling or having a crazy hormonal situation. And please, if you try it, let me know. You could share your story too one day. This could be you. Honestly, this could be you. And it was me. After 15 years of acne, I finally found something that can control it and that can really help my skin. I'm so happy I was able to share this. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna do a lot of more fun videos about the things I have tried and a bunch of clothes hauls. And I'll see you guys next time.